Hi, Tyson Mutrux here, Mutrux Firm Injury Lawyers. Today I want to talk about some of the resources that we use to track people down whenever we need to file a lawsuit against them, because sometimes people are not nearly as easy to find as you might think. Some people assume that everyone's on social media, everyone's on Facebook and Twitter, and that's not necessarily the case. And so we use a variety of resources to track them down. Typically what we'll do is we'll start with 3 different software services that we subscribe to. Number one is Lexis Smart Links. It allows us, what it does is it collects a lot of public information and links them together. That's why it's called Smart Links. Addresses, email addresses, phone numbers, real estate transactions, even mortgages, criminal records. A lot of that information is all through Lexis and it's linked together. And it really allows us to track people down easily. Another service that we use, which is far more expensive but also far more effective, it's called TLO, and it gives us a lot of the same information but far more advanced. For example, we're able to, if we needed to, connect full social security numbers together, and that's the only service that allows us to do that. So if we really needed to find someone via social security number, we would be able to do it. TLO is very, very effective, but also, like I said, very, very expensive. And then another service that we use is called Regis. It's REJIS. And what that allows us to do, it allows us to track Missouri driving records and also get criminal histories through that as well. Criminal histories are a really good and effective way of finding someone, because if there's a pending criminal case against someone, we usually know where they're going to be and when they're going to be there. It's especially helpful. In addition to that, we also, in a lot of situations, if we can't find someone, we'll hire an investigator to track them down. They'll do what's called a skip trace, which gets a lot of the same information that we're able to get through Regis, Lexis, and TLO, but sometimes they're able to get more information. And these investigators, they're trained to do that, and so they're able to look at things from a different perspective and use their background. Usually these are retired police officers, so they're retired detectives. The ones that we use are retired detectives, and they're able to use their investigation skills, the training that they've received over several decades to track people down. That even means going out and interviewing witnesses, interviewing family members, going out and knocking on doors and tracking people down. Sometimes it's them sitting outside of their residences or their businesses or wherever they work and trying to find the person to get them served with paperwork. That's another big one. And then obviously social media. For the rest of the world that's actually on social media, we're able to find a lot of information through Facebook, through Twitter, LinkedIn, you name it, because people put a lot of information on social media these days, and we're able to use that information to link things together. For example, one of the easy ways for us to find someone and get them served is if they list something on the marketplace on Facebook, or they're selling something, or if they list something on Craigslist. We can, in that situation, find out where they're going to be and when they're going to be there, because they're selling something. And so you could set up a transaction and have them served. So there are a lot of different ways that we can find people and get them served. Sometimes it takes months, sometimes it takes literally years, because some of these people are really good about hiding out, and we have to use our resources the best way we can to find them. So if you have any other questions about that, give us a call at 888-550-4026. Also check out our website, TysonMutrux.com. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video so that we can give you a lot more information. We share a lot of videos on this channel, so make sure you like and subscribe it. And then also like us on Facebook, where we put out content every single day. Sometimes it's legal tips, sometimes it's just funny memes, jokes, whatever it might be. We have a lot of great information every single day. All right, make it a great day. We'll see you.